Hey, welcome back to this lesson. Previously, we saw how to add KPI visual, isn't it? And that visual was a very useful one. Now, one more visual which is widely used that we would see is table or metrics. Metrics we will see later, but we will go with the simple one, that is the table visual. And I've added the table visual over here. In this table, what I would try to do is add country column first. So now you can see the country column here, isn't it? And I will try to understand what was the sales. Let me see if we have sales here. Yes, we have gross sales. I will move the gross sales here. So against these country, we could see the sales amounts, right? Then we will add cost. So what is the cost? I could see like this is the sales and this is the cost against the sales for each country. And then I will add profit, right? So this is the table that we have created, and it gives a very quick and easy view for the users to understand. And most of the people are well versed with Excel sheet, right? And they have seen table n number of times. So for them to understand this data becomes little much easier. This visualization is that's why widely used in most of the Power BI reports. So we have added these three columns. Now only thing remaining is we have to do some formatting, some visual formatting onto this. And for that I will click on style preset. It's default as of now. Let me check to use bolder header. It looks somewhat nice now, isn't it? Okay, I wanted this header, that is the column headers, to be bold and increase the size a bit. Please, like 15. I think 15 is too much. Yep, now it's looking perfect. So this is the table visualization that we have added. I hope you liked this lesson as well and found it useful. Let's move to the next visualization, and this is going to be the most interesting one, and it uses a little bit of AI when giving you the report or giving you the final visual data. So let's see how to create that, and that visualization name is key influencer. So see you in the next lesson.